I've just bought this 2010 Peugeot Boxer, half converted campervan, and we're looking to do a full strip out and refit, and we're hoping to kind of get this done within about a month, on the evenings and what weekends we have. Came with a dodgy clock spring, so I'm just in the middle of changing that. We've got 4 cameras all around the van. Sound system, you'd sort all of this out. Little Dimpex bar heaters, pretty simple to come off. 2 screws here, they lifted up, came off. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off now. Getting pretty hot in here. Time to take this apart. First job was to rip out the old kitchen. It wasn't going to work for what I wanted, so it all had to go. With everything stripped out, I could start working out the new layout. This area will eventually become the new garage and the bedroom. Not a bad start, there's still a long way to go, but at least the build is finally underway. Plenty more to come in the next one. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe.